On my right, you can find a natural beauty. It is Runchet Khola Jarana or Runchet River Waterfall, like I mentioned earlier. So why not? It's a spectacular waterfall. It is also an amazing waterfall. It is also a stunning waterfall. It is also a beautiful waterfall that I want to use all the terms. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Because I am close to Runchet Khola Jarana or Runchet River Waterfall. It's a truly beautiful. It's gifted by the Creator, and more importantly, I would say the color of water is also beautiful. Oh wow! Oh, what a place to be! Do visit Dharche Rural Municipality to Runchet if you are nature lover. You can thoroughly enjoy nature as much as you can. Thanks for watching this video. Till then, bye bye. Namaste.